Hi, my name is Alice from Cosplay and welcome back to me doing stuff and telling you how I did my DRYAD Soraka cosplay from League of Legends. So let's proceed with the video. If you didn't watch the part before that, please make sure to check it out. And if you want to see the finished cosplay or if you want to see more projects that we did, please check out our Instagram or our website. It's all in the description. We are on Facebook now as well, so yes, if you like this video, please give it some thumbs up or subscribe, or I don't know, give us some critique, if you will, some feedback. Let's make a belt. The belt is probably made out of leather, I assume, as well. But as I already established, I don't use real leather, and I did not want to buy fake leather because it was too expensive. So I made this belt by using foam again. You know what a belt looks like, okay? It's just a long piece of fabric. So I cut out a long piece of this foam and then I just glued on the brown fabric. And then I did sew along the edges, but just so it would look right. So this is not something you don't have to sew around it, but to me this just looked more like a belt. I don't know, it just looked better to me, so I just did it. I will attach crystals onto it, and these crystals will have to light up as well. So there needed to be holes in it because I wanted the fairy lights to go like behind. We already established how we make the crystals with resin, and as you know, there will be a different tutorial, an explicit tutorial about how to do this resin crystals somewhere around this channel sometime. It will be there. I don't know if it is already there or just check it out once it's there. It would not have looked nice if we just put the crystals onto the belt, like just glue it on. So we took some black warbler and made little rings out of it that fit around the crystal, and then painted these rings brown. And we put the ring and attach it onto the belt around the hole that we just put in there, and then put the crystal not on top but like into the ring. So it looks like the ring is like a frame for the crystal. That's why we painted it brown, because the belt is brown too. Also, we did paint the crystals a little green on the back, just as we did with the big chest crystal. I'm saying crystal a lot in this video. So it already has kind of green shimmer. And then we took the green fairy lights again and we attached it to the back of the belt so that most of the fairy lights would be around one of the holes, and then some aluminum foil, and then we put some foam again, put it over, glued all of it together. Soraka's belt has like a big belt buckle. Yes, a really thick belt buckle. Do you know how to do breastplates out of warbler? We pretty much use the same way to make this belt buckle. We just stretch the black warbler over a ball kind of thing to give it this round shape. Let it cool down a bit. Detach it from this ball. We then took a silver edding and painted this kind of leaf that she has on her buckle onto our buckle as well. And then again used some black warbler to actually make this leaf. And now all we had to do is to give it another layer of wood glue and then paint it brown again. So now we also had the buckle, and we could use this buckle to hide the actual belt buckle. And please don't forget that this belt needs to fit around the waist, and you can't, the way I did it, you cannot make this a different size than it already is. So you have to measure yourself, of course. You have to measure the belt so that it will add up and it will hold up and not slide down. Yes, you should do this beforehand, actually. we are already done. For the shoes, we have a different video for the shoes which explains in detail how we did it, and you can watch this video here or here or here. I don't know, it's somewhere around here. Just make sure to watch it and you know how to do the shoes. Because it's a big part of this costume, okay? You cannot be a DRYAD without DRYAD shoes. I think I'm going to end this video here. So yes, bye bye.